Hey guys, this is Jackson, and in this video I'm just going to quickly show you how to download my game Running Robot Man. In case you're wondering what it is, it's a action slash shooter slash puzzle slash kind of horror game. It's a bunch of different things mashed together into one. It's got a couple of different modes that you can play. There's a wave arena and there's also like a story campaign sort of thing as well. But I won't go into too much of that. There's a trailer that I'll put a link to in the description that you can watch if you're interested. It's just a minute long. That'll give you the gist and it'll get you bloody excited to play. So if you want to download it, go to GameJolt.com, open your browser and go to GameJolt. Once you're in GameJolt, go to the top and type in Running Robot Man. The game's absolutely free, by the way. You don't have to pay anything. I don't think you even need to sign up for GameJolt. So once you've got that, look for this thumbnail. It'll say Running Robot Man with a picture of a dude exploding, and it's published by Jackson Nexip. That's me. So click that. Open that up, you'll get to this page. Click download just here, and then a window should pop up. This will download a zipped folder with everything in it that you need. I've already got it, so I'm not going to download that right now. But once you've got that, you'll have a folder that looks like this one just here, Running Robot Man zipped. Just right click that and click extract all, and then once that's done, you'll end up with a file that has this inside of it basically. And so what you want to do then is you want to run the application here. Just double click Running Robot Man and run that, and you're in. When you open up the game, it'll present you with a tutorial. So go through the tutorial. Try not to die because the tutorial itself is pretty hard. It's a very hard game, but if you can beat it, props to you, and let me know if you beat it, because I'm always happy to hear when people get right into my games. And if you stream yourself playing or video yourself playing, send me that too, because I would absolutely love to watch. But once you beat the tutorial, you'll go into a lobby sort of area, and there'll be a wave arena portal that you can go into. But a little secret is there's this Egyptian artwork on the back wall with two torches next to it. If you shoot both of those torches, that artwork will slide up and you can go through a door behind the artwork. And there's a bunch of different levels in there that are sort of bonus levels. But there are also more than that as well. There's like 5 in there, but there's also some other ones hidden, which I'm not going to tell you about. You can find those yourself. So that's it, guys. That's how you download and play the game. Like I said, let me know if you play it and if you enjoyed it, and send me any videos or anything, or feedback that you might have, or ideas for improving it. Even just crazy ideas that you think would be cool, like cool enemies or something. Like I had a friend send me the other day a picture of a meme man, the NPC meme on a Thomas the Tank on a Thomas the Tank engine. So I'm probably going to put that in the next game because that'd be fucking hilarious. So if you got any crazy ideas, send those to me because I'd love that. With that said, I have made a new game as well. It's still in the early stages. It's called Faceless, and it's also on GameJolt. So if you type in Faceless over here, Faceless by Jackson Nexip, it'll have you hooked like crack. So crack that open if you enjoyed Running Robot Man, and give this a try. This is basically a second version of Running Robot Man, which is a lot harder, but it's also got a lot more cool stuff in it. Like the maps are randomly generated, so you can play it 100 times and get a different experience every time, and sometimes it's insanely difficult and sometimes it's easy. But this game is the one I'm working on now, and it's a lot better, and there's a lot of cool stuff coming for this in the future. But this is just the first release that I've just finished, and I'm going to try and do a new release every week and constantly be adding new enemies and new ideas in it. So if you've got any crazy ideas, let me know, and I might make a feature in this game. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy the games. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.